Remove any large debris from the filter prior to application by tapping gently against a hard surface. Liberally spray Cold Air Inductions air filter cleaner on both sides of the filter and allow to soak for 10 minutes to loosen the dirt. Do not allow cleaner to dry on the air filter. Rinse off air filter with cool, low pressure water from inside out in order to flush the dirt out of the filter. Continue to rinse the filter until all traces of cleaner are gone and water runs clear through the filter. It may be necessary to repeat steps 1 and 2. After rinsing, gently shake off excess water and allow filter to dry naturally. Do not apply the oil until the filter is completely dry. Apply Cold Air Inductions air filter oil beginning an inch below the crown. Apply all the way around the filter. Continue to move down the filter and apply additional rings. Note, the rings should be approximately 2 inches apart. Stop when you are about an inch from the bottom of the filter. The oil will run down the filter and saturate the pleats. Allow oil to wick for approximately 20 minutes. Wipe off any excess oil at filter base. Touch up any light areas on either side of the filter until there is a uniform red color on all areas. Allow the filter to sit for 24 hours. Wipe off any excess oil at filter base. Note, failure to do so may cause issues with the MAP sensor.